Hello everyone, this video will show you about a WD gradient thermal cycle. The whole video will be clarified from about 5 parts. Part 1. Unpacking and accessories display. Firstly, before unpacking the package, please check there is no defect in the box. Also please check the label information. If there is any defective or wrong information, please contact the WD immediately. Open the package box, you will see the accessories. After unpacking, take out the protective foam and all accessories. Then move out the main instrument and place it on the stable horizontal table carefully. All accessories include power cord, product user manual, USB disc, screwdriver, 6-start guide, product lists, certificate. If missing any accessory, please contact the WD personnel. Part 2. Instrument overviews. From the front side, we can see knob lock, the open button, pig lid, touchscreen, power indicator, USB port. From the back side, we can see LAN interface, debugging interface, power port, fuse position, power button. Part 3. Installation and connection. Before powering the new device, please press the button to open the heating lid and take out the internal protective foam, then show us the 96 sample Wells metal block. Please be careful that before opening the lid, user need to loosen the knob in the direction indicated. Then you can open the lid. Prevent distorting the test tube. These sear tubes need to be placed on each of the 4 symmetrical corners of the sample block. After close the heating lid, rotate to tighten the knob slightly to a moderate position. Then connect the power cord and open the power switch. The device will enter auto-checking program. After auto-checking program completed, it will indicate the input account name and password. Part 4. Operation procedure. After initialization, the login interface will appear on the touchscreen automatically. There are 3 types of login account: admin, guest, and ordinary user. Click the left lower corner to log in as a guest. When login with guest, the account name be guest, the password leave blank. Or you can register ordinary user account to login. The ordinary type can be registered and cancelled by itself. You can log in with administrator's account. The default account name could be admin, and password be 0000. The administrator account has maximum permissions. It supports to edit or modify all other accounts information. After admin to the main screen, we need to add a program. This interface is the default program interface of the system, which including some preset stages and preset steps. On the upper right corner, lid temperature preset to be 105 centigrade and volume be 50 microliter. Or user can click to edit their own lid temperature and volume value. Lid temperature ranges from 40 centigrade to 110 centigrade. Volume setting ranges from 10 microliter to 80 microliter. If user need to add their own steps, they can click manage step to enter the edit page. In this page, user can tap to add a new stage or new step. The new stage or step will be shown on the left or right side. If user need to edit step parameter, click regular setting page. We can set single temperature or duration time for each step in regular setting page. When performing touchdown PCR or non-PCR, click advanced setting to enter the cyclic parameter setting page. In this page, user can set a single time and temperature increment or decrement with each cycle. The increment or decrement time ranges from minus 240 seconds to 240 seconds. The increment or decrement temperature ranges from minus 5 centigrade to 5 centigrade. When the gradient function is turned on, the temperature cyclic increment function will be turned off, but the time cyclic increment can be set. The ramp rate is unticked by default. If unticked, it will run at maximum temperature rises rate by 6 centigrade every second, and maximum temperature drops rate by 4.5 centigrade every second. If user need to optimize an evening temperature, we can click gradient setting pages to set temperature ranges. There are 2 types of setting method. One method is the setting a and setting a gradient increment temperature. The other method is the setting the first and last column. Then the system will run with gradient temperature automatically. The unit also provides TA calculator. Enter the forward and reverse primer sequences on the TA calculator interface. Click Calculate to obtain the TA value as the predict annealing temperature. Then click Copy TA to copy and paste TA into box of the annealing temperature automatically. After all parameters set it well, click Save to save this program. Then we can click Call and Start to run this program. Within the running process, this screen will display the program running parameters and the remaining running time. Click the running area to enter the detailed interface of program running. In this screen, user can pause or stop the current running, or you can choose to skip a step or continue running. Part 5. Main menu introduction. Menu into main menu interface. Click TA calculator to enter the primer sequence and get the suggested TA value. Click incubator to enter incubation interface, or user can type the shortcut keys to enter the incubation page. In this page, user can set temperature, time, and lid temperature to start the incubation mode. Click program to enter the program manage page, or user can enter this interface from the shortcut keys in the main menu. In this page, it contains default display folders. User can preview the program details, or user can select any folder to copy and enter new program name for the account. If click Add, user can edit a new program to add a folder for the account. Select any folder and click Rename to modify the folder name. If batch erasures are required, click More. Click System to show all the system default program. User can click Query and enter the program name or folder name to search the target program. Also, user can add any program into the favorite folder to invoke the program quickly. Click Account Setting to enter Account Setting page. To change a password, user needs to input the old password, then input the new password. Only the administrator can enter the account management. It can reset the account password to 0000 or delete the current account information. If the external device is connected, click Import or Export to import or export account information. Click Lock out to step up the current account. Click Running Log to view all running history, or insert a USB to export the running log. Click Alarm Log to view all alarm history. Click System Setting to enter the setting page. In this page, user can set the screen brightness and language, or select the lid to be closed automatically or not. Enter self-check to start the self-check mode, then wait the check result to be displayed. Click Version to view the system current software information. Click Clear Data, all account or program information will be deleted. Click Time and Date to set the right time and date. For temperature detection and maintenance, please contact a WD Personal.